Good morning everyone. Welcome to all of you in today's debate session. This is Afrin Fatma, a senior student of American Institute, Khalilabad. And today we are going to have a debate on a burning and controversial topic, that is online shopping versus offline shopping. So for this discussion, we have two groups. Muskan Fatma and Shivangi Singh are in the favor of online shopping. And in the opponent, Sania Firdaus and Maria Khan are in the favor of offline shopping. So shall we dive in? So can you please tell me something about online shopping, that how online shopping is beneficial for us?
As we know that today's era online shopping is the trend as well as more comfortable because sitting at a place we can get any product easily neither and we need to go to anywhere not to waste of the time.
Yes, and in offline shopping you have to travel so far and give transport or visa charge. And if the weather is not favorable, so you have to face weather condition. But online shopping you can choose whatever the product you want because there are many various type of products.
Yes, of course. I agree with your points. Really, in today's era, online shopping has made our life very easy and comfortable. So now, what do you want to say about it?
I do agree with your words. You are saying that is easy and everything is available in online market. But the product are very expensive on online. Suppose that if you want to purchase any product and the product cost is 100 rupees in offline, but in online they take 150 or 200 rupees for that same product, and sometimes they added 50 or 60 rupee delivery
Yes,
charge.
and there is no guarantee that the quality of product will be good. It can be damaged or not proper size or any defective. But in offline market you can check the things. You can touch the items. Suppose you are purchasing any clothes or shoes, so you can try it in trial rooms.
Yes, if you don't like any cloth or product, so you can go there and check it's any another mall or shop, and sometimes they provide offers like buy one get one free, festival offer and etc. But in online shopping, many things are out of budget.
I don't agree with your opinion that things are out of our budget because there are many items which are in the price and many times festival offers like Big Billion Days, cashback price, credit card offers and many times.
Yes, do you know, one day I wanted to purchase a cell phone. So the price of cell phone was 20,000 rupees. So I decided purchase cell phone online and I applied credit card offer. So got 2,000 rupee discount. But offline rate was 22,000 rupees. But I purchased 18,000 rupees. And not only this, if you go offline market, you can purchase any item like shoes, watch, cloth, etc. And then after, check that model on online market cheaper than offline.
But do you know, in offline market you can talk to shopkeeper if you have any problem in the product. So you can come to shopkeeper and he will solve your problem. But in online, after 7 days there is no replacement.
And if you have good terms with shopkeeper, so he can give you discount also. And sometimes if you are any problem, so shopkeeper can give you product at bar and you can pay later anyway.
Yes, and if you want any item urgently, so only shopkeeper help you. You can take the example Corona. When there was lockdown and everything was closed, so who helped you? Only those shopkeeper, no any online market, no any supermarket.
But there is one thing, if you want to purchase an product which is not available at any shop or in your city, so how many places I will visit and waste the time, so directly you can purchase the product online or not to go to here and there.
Okay, if you need any product urgently, like you purchase a cloth and your same size is not good and you wanna go for a party, so what will you do? First of all, you will return the product and money will not be deposited in your account immediately. And suppose that you haven't got extra money to purchase, so you will have to wait. But in offline, go to the shop, check the product, purchase it, come back, it's over.
So really we had a nice discussion today. Well discussed you all. You really told us merits and demerits of online and offline shopping. So we can say that both are good at their place. It depends on your choice because there are many people perfect at doing online shopping and many people have experience about offline shopping. So wherever you are comfortable and you have good experience, you go either online or offline. So nice being with you all. We will meet soon in another session. तो आइए जुड़िए इस अमेरिकन इंस्टीट्यूट से जहां आपको बहुत ही आसान तरीके से इंग्लिश सिखाई और बुलवाई जाती है। तो हमसे जुड़ने के लिए आप आ सकते हैं अमेरिकन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, टीचर्स कॉलोनी, शुगर मिल रोड, खलीलाबाद, या दिए गए नंबर पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं 8795745199। थैंक यू सो मच।